A brighter 2025 for Filipinos. SM Prime evolves with renewable energy. Imagine a world powered by the sun, the ultimate source of light. As climate change worsens due to fossil fuel use, sustainable energy alternatives are more crucial than ever. The Philippines, with its abundant sunlight, is uniquely positioned to harness solar power and help combat climate change. In 2024, Manila experienced around 4,440 hours of daylight, which translate to a significant potential for solar energy production. SM Prime recognized this potential early on. In 2014, SM North EDSA became the first commercial property in the Philippines to install solar photovoltaic panel on its roof, achieving the largest installation in Southeast Asia at the time. This move signaled the beginning of SM Prime's commitment to renewable energy and energy efficiency. Today, SM Supermalls operate 44 malls with solar panel voltaic systems, generating a combined peak energy of 51.6 megawatts. The largest installation is at SM City Santa Rosa, with a total of 96,000 solar panels across malls in Luzon and Visayas. SM Prime holds the Philippines' largest solar energy portfolio, covering around 33 hectares. These efforts are a vital part of the company's net zero by 2040 strategy, aimed at reducing its carbon footprint. This 51.6 megawatt capacity significantly cuts carbon emissions, providing clean energy that powers thousands of homes or remove thousands of cars from the roads. It also reduces the need for coal, offering environmental benefits for both the planet and local communities. The solar power generated directly fuels essential mall operations like lighting and escalators, reducing SM Supermall's reliance on the national grid. This, in return, helped stabilize the power supply, reducing the risk of outages and easing the burden of electricity providers. By tapping into clean, renewable energy, SM Prime is contributing to a more sustainable future for the Philippines. SM Prime sustainability efforts extend beyond solar energy. The company also focuses on waste management, water conservation, and air quality initiatives, all designed to minimize environmental impact. Through these comprehensive measures, SM Prime strives to create a positive change while ensuring responsible, innovative operations. In sum, SM Prime's large-scale adoption of solar photovoltaic systems, combined with its broader environmental initiatives, exemplify its dedication to creating sustainable future for the Philippines. By leading in renewable energy and sustainability, SM Prime is helping pave the way for cleaner, greener, and brighter tomorrow.